Grammy-winning reggae artist Stephen Marley has announced the new dates for his Babylon by Bus tour. Stephen announced the new dates on Saturday via Instagram. The tour will see him traveling across the United States with a total of 6 California dates, along with performances in Nevada, Arizona, Colorado, Texas, South Carolina, and New York, among other cities. The tour will commence May 26 and will feature Skip Marley, Kabaka Pyramid, and Ben Harper. Stephen is set to showcase a mixture of his own songs spanning his 4-decade-long career, with tracks from his father, Bob Marley's extensive catalogue. The tour is named after Bob Marley's promotional tour for his 1978 Babylon by Bus album. The finalists for this year's Billboard Music Awards are recently announced. Now, this year sees The Weeknd leading the nominations in 17 categories. The Canadian pop star, who has topped the list for the second consecutive year, is followed by Doja Cat, who is nominated for 14 awards. Olivia Rodrigo has landed 13 nominations, including Top Artist, Top New Artist, Top Female Artist, and Top Hot 100 Artist, while rapper Drake is up for 11 categories, including Top Artist, Top Male Artist, Top Billboard 200 Artist, and Top Hot 100 Artist. The Billboard Music Awards honors the year's most successful artists in 62 categories across all genres of music. The 2022 Billboard Music Awards will broadcast live from the MGM Grand Arena in Las Vegas on May 15. On Friday, it was announced that the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences has banned Will Smith from attending the Oscars or any other Academy event for 10 years following his incident, which involved Chris Rock at the Academy Awards. The decision came after a meeting of the Academy's Board of Governors to discuss a response to Smith's actions. Now, in a statement, the Academy said Smith's actions were unacceptable and harmful. Smith preemptively resigned from the Academy during the run-up to the meeting and said he would accept any punishment the Academy handed down. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.